Todd Eccles here with Otter Outdoors. 2026 is a big year for Otter. We're celebrating 30 years of innovation in the ice fishing category. And to help celebrate, we have designed a new 30th anniversary edition of our Otter Vortex Pro Resort Hub House. You can see this design sports a blackout livery with a lot of reflective detailing. So all of the striping and all of the graphics on this house are reflective, highly visible at night. Let's step on in and see some of the unique characteristics of this house on the inside. So inside, you're going to notice that this is very similar to the Otter Vortex Pro hubs that you're used to. Some unique elements that were added to this house are new light and wire management system. Gone are the old clips that clipped onto the poles on the ceiling here to mount the lights. We've gone with a mesh light holder here, and this is included for a couple of reasons. It holds the light strips very securely. You can tuck the wires in, kind of get them out of the way. It slightly diffuses the light a little bit, and you get kind of a nice glow. We played with the positioning of these things a little bit during our R&D process to get them positioned just right. And you'll notice when you're on the lake or in camp that the angle of these lights shines down and creates a really nice glow inside this house that isn't harsh, isn't direct. They're placed very, very well. And they're very secure. So the lights are just fine to stay in here when this house gets collapsed and packed up for the weekend. They're fine to stay right where they're at.
This is great. Yeah, this is one of my favorite features of the inside of it here, is there's so many different lighting systems that struggle with where do you put them. The ability to put these in here, have them shine in the right spot, not be in the way, and collapse down inside of the shelter are awesome. And it doesn't come with the lights, right? The lights are an accessory. If you already have them, you can use the ones you already have, or you can purchase one of the couple of kits you got.
Correct. So the LED lights are sold separately. Otter sells them in a 2-pack or a 4-pack. The lights that we introduced last year are completely compatible with the new lithium batteries, higher voltage lithium batteries, so no worries about running them on the new lithium batteries. They work very well. This is the resort house, so it's got the pass-through for the propane hose on 2 sides. And then we also have the second door.
Triangle door, D-door, whatever you want to call it.
Triangle door, D-door, on the back of this house. So this is a limited edition to celebrate our 30th anniversary. Includes some design elements that you may or may not see in some future Otter products, available as an exclusive buy. So once they're gone, they're gone.